Page 3 of Chapter 7 review starts with number 9. What is the total number of outcomes? What is the total number of outcomes for choosing a number from 1 to 5 and a month of the year? So again, total number does not mean that we have to draw anything or do anything. We're going to use the counting principle, which says that we're going to multiply our choices just to get a total number of choices. All right, so we're going to first choose a number from 1 to 5, so that's 5 choices. And then we're going to choose a month of the year. There are 12 months in the year, and 12 times 5 is 60. A lot of D's in this one. Not all of them, though, so you have to do it. Okay. A coin with heads and tails on it and a letter is selected from the word stick. Find the probability of flipping a tails and then selecting a consonant. It asks for the probability. So we want a fraction, part over whole. So we have a coin with heads and tails and a letter from the word stick. We want the probability of flipping a tail. That's 1 out of 2 choices. And then selecting a consonant. A consonant is a letter that's not a vowel. And I see 1 vowel in this word, so that means I have 4 consonants out of 5 letters. This is 4 tenths. I look over, I don't see any tenths, so I simplify this to 2/5, which is choice C. Told you they weren't all D. Okay. Number 11, the table shows a class and their favorite colors. What is the probability, experimental probability, of the next student entering the class picking green? So probability is a fraction, part over whole. They want us to take it from the experiment, so we need the probability of picking green, which is 15, out of the whole, all of the choices, all of the kids in this class. So we actually have to add this up. So I did 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5 is 45, and 5 more is 50. So however you add that up, it should come out to 50. I do not see 15/50ths as a choice. You could pick A because you think it's close, but in math, close doesn't really work. So we're going to divide both of these by 5 to get 3/10. Oh my gosh, it's choice D. I'm telling you, it's not always choice D. And the last one on this page is a coin is flipped 50 times. What is the theoretical number of times it will land on heads? It did not ask for the probability, but it very trickily gave you the probability, the theoretical probability of flipping a heads. But they didn't ask for that. They said, what is the theoretical number of times it will land on a head? Well, if you flip it 50 times, you should get half heads, half tails. So that's a tricky question, but it is choice B. And that is the end of page 3.